单攻. Good morning guys and welcome to day 2. We're here at the trailhead for Mount Taoshan. It's like 5 AM and we're just making a few last minute preparations before we set off on our day attack. We originally were planning to do Taoshan and Kalahei, but the weather forecast is saying that there's going to be thunderstorms after lunch, so depending on the situation we might just do Taoshan and then come back down because we don't want to get caught in a thunderstorm while we're up on the ridge, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, time to get ready. $5.10. Let's do it. Taoshan. Yeah, that's what you'll be looking like in about 5 years. We're about a third of the way in.
1.6k.
1.6k, and I think it's 4.5 to the top. Still got 1,000 meters gain. The views are coming out now because the sun's out. It's pretty nice. Don't ask me what those mountains are over there because I have no idea. Off to work we go. Here comes the sun, dee dee dee. Here comes the sun, and I said, "Oh no!" Perfect place to build a retirement home. Hugo's retirement home. We'll sell him this piece of land. Got this all here, a taste of Scotland in Taiwan. All I need now is some haggis.
Are you eating the shortbread again?
Oh yeah, I got some shortbread. Maybe that will have to do, I guess. 怎么
我们要一起拍吗？
就是一起一个耶。
人在这里。
Photo or video?
拜拜。
哎，你好。
好，拜拜。One of the best summits I've been to so far. The weather is so clear and you can see so many of the mountains around here. You can see Nanhu Dashan, you can see Zhongyang Zhenshan, you can see Xueshan, you can see so many Pingtianshan, Dashao Baojian or whatever the hell it's called, I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, we've been up here a while now, heading back down. We're not going to go to Kalahei because Andrew's not feeling too well, and honestly I don't want to get back home super late tonight, so until next time. It's the beautiful Taiwan fir. Only grows at very high altitudes and is unique in that it has like a bluish black cone. Absolutely beautiful tree. There's a beautiful view of Xueshan Peak over there, and you can also see 369 Cabin, which is where you stay usually before going on to the summit. The visibility today is absolutely amazing. We stopped for a bite to eat on the way back, and we're being staked out by some wild Formosan macaques. The real problem around here, especially if you camp at Wuling campsite, they raid the campsite and steal all your food. Hugo can tell you some stories about that. So I'm having to keep an eye on the trees while I'm eating my sandwich. I can see him now. They're in that last pine tree there. They're getting closer. I'm gonna eat quickly and then leave, I think. Very strange noise, not heard that before. It sounds like mountain cicada or something like that. I don't know, it's kind of unusual. Very different to the normal cicada beat that you get. It sounds like a sprinkler. On the last 700 meters or so back to the trailhead. I really don't remember there being so many switchbacks this morning, but maybe I was still asleep. 可能还在睡觉吧。哦，好累，好累。Alright guys, we have finished our Taoshan and Kalahei, or day hike to Taoshan. It was pretty tough on the way back because it was hot. It was a 9-kilometer return, and we started out just after 5 AM and it's just after 1 PM now, so roughly 8 hours, but that includes rests and drinks breaks and such. And yeah, very enjoyable hike. Pretty tiring though. 1300 meters elevation gain roughly, so it's pretty tough. Andrew's struggling a bit, but that's his first bayou for about 20 years, so they take it out of you. So now we've got a short walk back to the car park, then we're going to go and get some showers at the campsite. So we are back at Wuling Farm. Oh, showered and changed, feeling nice and fresh, and feeling like we made the right decision not to go to Kalahei mountain, because right now, you look up there, hear that? That's thunder, and you cannot see the tops of the mountains. And right now would have been about the time that we would have been coming back to Taoshan, and I don't really want to be up there when there's in the middle of a storm, so I think we made the right call. We're on the way back, and we don't have time to go for food because we want to get home, and it's getting late in the afternoon. So we've just made a pit stop here in Lishan, which is, or aka Cabbage Town. This family mart here is very famous for hikers because it's basically the last town before you get to all the trailheads. So everybody will stop here usually and stock up. And then there's a few places where you can get food. There's a place over there where I just got a couple of baozi from. And then there's a place here next to the family mart where you can get fried chicken. And also there's another place just there where you can usually get zongzi, or sticky rice triangles from. There's not much available at the moment, plus everybody's working. You've got to harvest those cabbages. So yeah, we just made a pit stop to get some food and a couple of drinks on the way back, because I got like a 4-hour drive back to Hsinchu now. I just got a roubao and a cai bao from the baozi shop over the road. Now this roubao was only $20, and it's not bad actually, it's quite tasty. Okay guys, as I said, I've got a long drive ahead of me now, so I'm going to sign off here. Hope you enjoyed this day hike adventure to Taoshan. I certainly did, although I'm a bit tired. It was really good. Andrew, how was it for you?
The hike?
Yeah.
The hike was beautiful, but I found it a bit tough.
Andrew found it a bit tough because he hasn't done any bayou for a long time.
So maybe it's the altitude.
Yeah, so I think he was suffering a bit from the altitude.
But it was a beautiful hike.
But definitely a beautiful hike. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and you can always hit the bell for notifications. And yeah, that's it for today. If you'd like to help support the channel, then you can go to my Buy Me a Coffee page. You can buy me 3 coffees or more for a Hikelopedia patch, or you can get some stickers or some digital downloads. Totally up to you. Go check it out. Alright guys, that's it. I'm heading home now. Take it easy. See you next week. Over and out.